2 years ago, I couldn't go 2 hours without my face looking like I dipped it in a frying pan. I'd wash it, walk out the door, and by the time I reached college, my forehead was already shining under the lights. I used to check my reflection in every shop window, not because I was vain, but because I was scared of what I'd see. Most people think oily skin means you're dirty or lazy with hygiene. I believe that too, until I actually understood what was going on under my skin. Once I fixed the real problem, not just the surface, the oil never came back the way it used to. Let me walk you through exactly what changed. First thing I had to accept: oily skin isn't a hygiene problem, it's a glands problem. Right under your skin, especially across your forehead, nose, and chin, you've got oil glands that are just genetically bigger and more active in some of us. Their job is to keep your skin from drying out, but when they're in overdrive, they flood your face nonstop. I used to wash my face 5-6 times a day thinking I was fixing it. I was making it worse. Every time you strip your skin dry, those glands panic and pump out even more oil to compensate. I was stuck in a loop I built myself. So here's what I actually changed in order. 1. I stopped overwashing. Twice a day max, morning and night, nothing more. 2. I switched to a salicylic acid face wash. This was the single biggest shift for me. Regular face wash just rinses the surface. Salicylic acid actually dissolves the oil sitting inside your pores, which is where the real buildup happens. I noticed my skin looking less cakey within the first 2 weeks. 3. I added a light oil-free gel moisturizer after washing. I know it sounds backwards, putting moisture on oily skin, but skipping this was my biggest mistake for years. When your skin feels stripped, it thinks it's under attack and makes even more oil to protect itself. A light gel moisturizer tells your skin it's safe, so it calms down. 4. I started using tissue paper, not a handkerchief. Rubbing your face hard during the day irritates it and triggers more oil. A gentle tap with tissue paper soaks up shine without setting off that reaction. But here's the part most guys skip, and it's the part that actually made the fix stick. Your face is downstream of your diet. I used to eat fried snacks and sugary drinks all day and wonder why my skin never calmed down. Sugar and fried foods spike insulin, and insulin directly tells your oil glands to ramp up production. No face wash on earth beats that signal. Once I cut back to 1 cheat day a week and started drinking close to 3 to 4 liters of water daily, the change inside showed up on my face within a month. My skin wasn't just less oily, it looked calmer, less inflamed, more even. I won't lie to you and say it happened overnight. The first week, I mostly noticed less shine by midday. Small win, but it kept me going. By the 1-month mark, my skin had stopped looking dull and clogged, and the dark, congested look around my nose and chin had visibly faded. By 3 months, I looked in the mirror and didn't recognize the guy who used to avoid eye contact in photos. That's not an exaggeration. I still have old pictures where I can see the difference myself. One more thing that surprised me: once the oil settled down, my skin actually looked healthier overall, not just less shiny, fewer breakouts, less redness, and a more even tone. I used to think oily skin and acne were 2 separate problems I had to fight on 2 fronts. Turns out, fixing the oil at the root took care of most of the second problem too. If you're dealing with this right now, I promise it's not about willpower or being cleaner. It's about giving your skin what it actually needs: the right products and the right input from the inside. Start with the 4 steps I gave you. Fix what you're eating and give it a real month before you judge it. If this helped, subscribe. I'm building this channel around exactly this kind of thing. Real fixes for real problems men don't usually talk about. See you in the next one.